Hello, welcome. I want to show you how the Nitros bull indicator works, okay? And I try to keep this as short and simple as possible. Uh, so, First of all, let's start. I'm on the BTC USDT chart here, okay? First of all, how do you find this indicator after it has been installed, okay? Because you have to purchase it from Crypto University here. After you purchase it, it's going to be installed on your TradingView account after you submitted your TradingView username. All right, so you only basically come to indicators here, and then on invite scripts only, you have to click on invite scripts, okay? Not favorite, not my scripts. So you come to invite scripts, and you can see Nitros Bull Optimus Prime 2, okay? When you click on it, it's going to be added to the chart, okay? So that's one thing. All right, so first of all, I just took out the drawings so you can see clearly. So first of all, the first thing I want you to understand is the bull and bear calls, okay? So that's uh, the first thing we're going to look at, the bull and what bear call. So you can see here, this is a daily chart for BTC. You understand? So you can see that when it called bull here, okay, you can see it followed its mission, okay, as a bull market, okay, and bear it came down, bull like that, and bear down like that. You understand? So of course there will be volatility during these time frames, but it's still going to stay on that course. You understand? And down and up and down. Okay, so you can use this for trading, spot trading, futures trading. Also, it also works on in forex as well. You understand? But I use it on cryptocurrency. I don't trade forex, and and it works just fine. You understand? So now let's look at other time frames. You understand? Let's say we go out look down to the smaller time frame, like 15 minutes on the BTC chart. Okay, and then when I reset this, you can see practically the same. You know, it's called bull here. It went just for a short time, and it had like a long bearish movement, okay, and bull short, okay, and bear, you understand, down, okay. So when we scroll a little bit backward, you can see the same thing, bull and bear, you get. So as long as the chart or the coin you're looking at has enough history, okay, it's going to pick it up. Let me look for something else that doesn't have enough history, okay. This TSL protocol. Yes, on the 15-minute time frame, you can see bull and bear. You can see this the calls, which is accurate. But when I come to the daily time frame, okay, since this stuff just started its trading on the chart was added on TradingView not long ago, you can see that it called, obviously this was a bull trend here, and then it called it a bear here, you understand? So from here, very soon it's going to call it bull, like that, so you get all these indicators as well. So just take notes on that. If the coin doesn't have enough history, okay, you might not see the complete bull bear on the daily time frame, but when you go back to, let's say, an hour, okay, you can begin to see them, and 5 minutes thereabout. Okay, so that's it for time frame. But the most important thing now, let's go back to the BTC chart. The most important thing that I want you to understand now in this indicator is the candle colors. You can see the candle colors are a little bit different from your just traditional green and red candles, okay. You can see them here. You can see the colors are different. So but I'm going to explain to you what they mean. You understand? I'm going to explain to you what they mean right away. So just look for a good spot where it's going to be much more easier. So I'm going to start from the bull call. Okay, let's use a 5 minute time frame. Okay, so as I can get enough price action there. Okay, let's start from the bull call. So I'm going to zoom in here. Let's start from the bull call. Okay, you can see that before it called with bull here, okay, it was on a bear trend, okay, within this 5 minute time frame. So the first candlestick I want you to understand, I will explain three candle colors for both the bull and the bear side, okay, but we're starting with the bull side. So it's this candle, this purple candle you see here. Is it, I don't know, is this maroon or purple? Very bad with colors, but let me zoom in a little bit. Yeah, so you can see, this color here, let's say this is maroon, this maroon color here with a green wick. Okay, a green wick means this thin line you see popping out of each candle, either upwards or downwards. Okay, during the price action is the wick, the candle wick. Okay, and so these green wicks and the green border. Okay, so when you see this color with the green border and the wicks, it means that there's a weak buying momentum, like the trend is trying to reverse up. Okay, but it's very weak. Do you understand? It's not strong. Do you understand? So that's the first one. The second one, okay, you can see it tried to go up here, and it tried to go, this was a green candle, it tried to go up, but it came down to red, and then it tried to repeat the same thing here again. Okay, the weak buying word momentum. And this second one now, okay, which is like the yellow candle, but with the same green border. Okay, the green border, it means what? The buying momentum here, it's stronger than this one. So it's like the strong buying momentum, but not so strong. Okay, like it's in between. Do you understand? So that is why you can see from here it changed to this. Okay, of course it can go down to red and blah blah blah. But when you see that, it means what? The buying momentum is becoming what? Stronger. Do you get it? And now we can see here it came down, it sold here. Okay, it was less here, and then it repeated the same thing here. You understand? And it tried to come down here, repeated the same thing here, and then finally it called it a bull market here. And then you can see that the next candle is the green, meaning the buying momentum is what? Very strong. Okay, that's why we can see that we pretty much went up. You can see it tried to come down here as well, but it kept going up and up like that uh until it's going to call it a bear market. I'm looking for a place where, okay, where the super moment. Okay, let's go back. Okay, let's use this side. So basically the same thing, so that you can see the transition into the bear call. Okay, basically the same thing. You can see here the weak buying momentum, and then it goes like that, like that, like that. You can see it change to the next one. Okay, it's like a face on each trend as it goes, and he called it a bull here, and it went up, played around, the price action went that way, and then when it called it a bear, you're going to see how it played out. You understand? You can see here it called it a bear, but before then, I'll explain the bearish candle for you now. Okay, or to begin to expect the bearish sign. Now we're done with the bull. Okay, the maroon color, the yellow with the green wicks, and then the green. Now for the bearish indicate in the indicator, what you need to, the first candle you will notice is what? You can see this, the green. Okay, it's a green candle. Okay, but zoom in. It's a green candle. It's a little bit different from this green here, but you can see it has a red wick. Okay, this is very important. A red what? Wick out. Okay, it means that the selling momentum here, it's less, it's not so strong. Okay, so you can compare this candle with the, let's zoom out a little bit. You can compare that candle I just showed you with this green. Okay, this one here. Okay, when it's trying to, okay, buying, but it's a buy, it's a weak buy. You understand? Okay, so you can compare that candle to that. You understand? So I'm gonna zoom in here to continue what I was explaining. So you can see this candle here, it's what? It has a green wick, a green body, but what? A red wick. You understand? Meaning the selling what momentum is less. You understand? You can see it tried to play out the same here, and it went up. Okay, and it gives us a red here, and it went up. You understand? And the next candle you need to watch out for is this one. Okay, it also has a red. It has a red wick. Okay, good. This is like an orange, I think. Okay, orange but with a red wick. You understand? Okay, you can see the first one, the weak selling momentum, and the orange with the what red wick, meaning the selling momentum is becoming stronger. Okay, just like we had on the green side. Okay, so it's becoming what stronger. So that is why you can see it here. And then it went up here as a strong momentum, and it repeats itself here again. Okay, with the weak selling momentum, and then a little bit more stronger, and then it becomes stronger here. That's it confirmed the bear here. So you can see the red candles. You understand? Meaning it's going down. Okay, and here you can see the bulls try to take it again. The weak buying momentum. Okay, like that, but it kept coming down. You understand? It kept coming down until you're going to find, okay, you can see it here, weak buying momentum, the average one here, average here again, and then it called it a bull here, and then we kept going up. You understand? So in between, you expect price action. Of course, you can see weak selling momentum here, the green candle with the red wick, like that. You understand? Like that. Okay, so these are the three colors that I want you to understand. Do you understand? Which is very important for the nitrous bullet indicator you get. So once you get this, you can actually see it uh, playing around the chart here. You understand? Okay, you can see it. Weak buying momentum, weak average here. Okay, it came down, 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 down. Another weak buying momentum, weak average. It came down, and then average buying momentum. Okay, a little bit more stronger, and then it went up. Okay, so that's how you use the nitrous pool. Of course, you don't want to depend on, there's no one indicator that you have to depend on 100%. Okay, like if you notice, I use the free indicators like the MACD here, RSI, okay, and your volume indicator here to confirm trade. So it depends on actually what you're trading on, if it's futures or sport. You understand? If you're trading on sport, example, or you just need to watch out for the indicator when it calls bear. If you bought here and you're pretty much in profit here and it calls it bear, you can now decide to sell. Okay, and wait for the next buy signal. You understand? To appear, and then you can actually set alert. You understand, on different time frames. So if you're setting alert on a 5 minute time frame, you're going to get it much more faster. 15 a little bit more delayed, but on the daily time frame, of course, it could take several days for it to call it. Let me see. So I'm on KSM chart now. Okay, you can see it took how many days? Several days here for it to call it a bull here. You understand? So, but you can set the alert. Okay, and I'll show you how to do that. So if I want to set alert on this chart now, I'm going to click here on alert. Okay, and then on this condition, I'm going to change this to MB Optimus Prime, which is a nitrous bull. Okay, what bear call am I looking for? Okay, it's currently like on the bear move. So remember, this is a daily chart. I'm going to put it on the bull. Okay, only once. Okay, or it depends on what you want. Okay, now because it's a daily chart. Okay, when will this expire? So I'm going to change this to furthermore into the future, maybe on the 30th. Okay, we're in June, 27th of June, on the 30th, or I can put it further into July. You understand? So whenever it's calls for a bull, it's going to notify me. You understand? I can put time and notify me on the application, meaning you're using the Trading View application. It's going to notify you. You understand? It's going to notify you on your app. You understand? And you just alert name. You can see, let's say KSM bull. Okay, bull call. And tap use create. Okay, we can also do this on a smaller time frame of, let's say, 5 minutes. Okay, and alert here. So I'm going to repeat the same thing, practically the same thing. Okay, let's say it's bearish and I want it on bull once. The only thing now on the timing now, okay, today's date is 27th. You understand? So I'm just going to increase only this because it's a 5 minute chart, so you expect more price action. So I'm going to change this to, it's about 9 a.m. So I'm going to change it, let's say, to about 3 p.m. I want it to expire. You understand? 3 p.m. and boom, notify me on the app. Okay, show pop up, and then put the alert name, and then I'm going to create it. Okay, so once I create that, within now, which is about past 9 a.m. to 3 p.m., when it calls it a bull, it's going to notify me on my app, and then I'm going to come to the exchange. If, for example, I am spot trading, I'm going to sell whatever I have at that point, or if I want to buy, I'm going to look for the buying opportunity to buy. You understand? Or if you're doing futures, you're going to enter your position as well. Okay, so like I said, you want to, it's a very good indicator. You understand? But if you're doing futures trading, especially, okay, you want to confirm them with like your other indicators that you have. I like using the MACD and RSI. They are free, and then they work very fine as well. In the volume indicator as well. You get, then I'm going to find the perfect confirmation and then enter my trade from there. Okay, so I believe I was able to explain how our focus is on the Nitros Bull indicator. Okay, so to get this indicator, you actually get it on Crypto University. On my channel here, on each video, I usually put this link here. Okay, to Crypto University, and then when you click on it, it's going to bring you to uh, the Crypto University website. Okay, and then to sign up for free. Okay, don't click here yet, because it's going to offer you to buy immediately. Okay, so I'm actually logged in, so I'm just going to log out, show you something briefly. Okay, so I'm going to click on my account. It doesn't matter if you're on the PC or phone, just find my account and click on register. So when you click on register, um, sometimes the website it's updated. Okay, no, normally when you click on register, it gives you the form to fill to register on the site, but now you can see they're also offering this. So if you're not ready to buy immediately, okay, you just come, the way to do it is you come to the free courses here. Okay, on these free courses, just take any of them. Let's say the introduction to blockchain technology. You click on the start, you click on start, and then you fill in this billing information. Okay, remember it's free. There's an offer here as well, but if you don't need that, don't check it, since you just want to sign up for free. And then after filling everything, you accept the terms and condition, place the order. An email will be sent to your mailbox with a temporary password. Okay, so I'm just going to log in now this time. So on that email sent to you, you copy the temporary password, and then you click on the link in the email. Then you come to change your password. You log in. Okay, you log into your account. After logging in, you come to my account. You click on my account. And then you come down here to say current password. You paste in the password generated for you. You put in your new password and then confirm it, and that's how you change your password. Okay, but if you click on register and it gives you a form directly, meaning the website has been updated again, you understand, you just fill in the form. But if it doesn't and you just want to sign up for free, you follow this process, and then whenever you're ready, you just go to the home page. We have a lot of nice products here. Okay, the trading mastery course, Bitcoin basics, and all of that. This is a combination of the three courses above, offering you for 120 instead of 190 here. You understand? And then the crypto automated trading bot. This is the Nitros Bull indicator. This is a one-on-one call with the founder, Crypto University. One-on-one mentorship as well, and these are the free courses. You understand? And paying for this is going to be in crypto as well. But if you have any question, my information is always here on how to go about things, WhatsApp or on Telegram. You can just follow this to get in contact with me directly. Okay, so that's about it, and until next time, if you have any question, let me know to explain further. Thank you.